English that is actually used overseas. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 8. Aizuchi shortened version. I understand. Native speakers use a more natural response. What do they usually say? I see. I see. That's correct. There's a more conversational reply. What do people actually say? Exactly. Exactly. That's true. They often agree with just one phrase. How would a native say it? Right. Right. I can understand that. There's a common way to show understanding. What do they say? I know. I know. That is logical. Native speakers use a more natural expression. What's the natural reply? Makes sense. Makes sense. That's a good opinion. Another phrase is much more common. What do people actually say? Good point. Good point. I think so too. Short replies are very common. What's the natural expression? Me too. Me too. I completely agree. One short phrase is enough. How would a native say it? Totally. Totally. I understand how you feel. There's a more conversational version. What do people usually say? I feel you. I feel you. I see what you mean. People usually keep it shorter. What do they say? Got it. Got it. That's true. It's common for light agreement. What do people actually say? True. True. That's one way to think about it. There's a softer way to accept it. What's the natural reply? Fair enough. Fair enough. I've heard about that. It's also used as a back channel. How would a native say it? I've heard that. I've heard that. I didn't know that. There's a natural surprised response. What do people usually say? Oh, really? Oh, really? That's interesting. Short reactions sound more natural. What would a native say? Nice. Nice. I feel you. I feel you. Got it. Got it. True. True. Fair enough. Fair enough. I've heard that. I've heard that. Oh, really? Oh, really? Nice. Nice. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.